Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this week we are going to unbox Hot Wheels, and this is a mix of I think A and B cases. So I might be some C case as well. Honestly, I'm not sure at this point because when I bought, I bought like mix of all these three cases. I came to know a little bit later that it is a mix of three cases. So let's start with this one. So this is the Cupra E-Racer, and this one is, I think it is a new casting for Hot Wheels if I'm not wrong. So this one looks really nice with acrylic inserts. So you can see this one looks really good with the acrylic inserts and all. And I really want to unbox this. This kind of reminds me of the Subaru. And next one is my favorite on this particular case, which is this one, the 69 Corvette Racer. And this one is, you can see the 2025 specific casting. I mean, this one is specifically for Valentine's Day. I mean, it does look really cool. The livery looks really nice. It looks really simple, but it is really nice. And this one, I really bought this one because it's a treasure hunt in this particular case. I'm pretty sure this is B case, if I'm not wrong. And yeah, let me show you. You can see the logo here, treasure hunt logo here. So this is the only treasure hunt I was able to find. Nothing much. And my personal favorite is the next one, which is the Sterato. Finally, I was able to get this in this color. I do have this exact car in this exact color by Mini GT at this point. I did unbox that as well. So that one was really nice. I have the green color one in Sparky, which has that tires on top as well. So both looked really nice. I'm planning to do a comparison video as well, so stay tuned for that as well. Okay. The another thing which is new for this year, which is this one, Tesla Cyber Quad. Yeah. So this was like only one when I saw most of these castings were like only one, specifically the Sterato, and let me show you the next one. And there are a few more which I'm going to unbox. Most of them are like only one. So this one looked really nice. Originally, I actually kept it back, but then my wife was like, okay, this was only one and it looks really different. Just get it. So I went ahead and bought it. So see, these castings ranges somewhere between 9.9 ringgits to 12 ringgits. So if you guys are asking me for how much I bought it, I didn't buy everything in single shop. So remind that, keep it in mind. So don't ask me the same question again and again because I am also not sure at this point. So from where I bought. Okay, so last but not least for this particular week, which is this one, the 2024 Mustang Shelby GT 500. So I personally love this casting. So I don't see any detailing here on the headlights. I think I'm going to be a little bit disappointed. But let's see how this one actually looks in hand. Yeah. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.